Hi everyone, this is Umang Agarwal and today let's talk about Indian polity. The most important topic in this is fundamental rights. Approx 2 questions comes every year in UPSC CSE prelims exam. Now the fundamental rights in the Constitution of India comes under Article 12 to 35. Now let's us take the trick for this. Uh, One line: law removes all doubt, gives 6 freedom and 4 clear protections. Still there is exploitation of women and children. Now here law equality for law, equality before law, Article 14. Doubt, DOUT. D for Article 15, prohibition of discrimination on grounds of religion, caste, race and sex, etc. O for opportunity, Article 16, equality of opportunity in matters of public employment. U for untouchability, abolition of untouchability, Article 17. Article 18, abolition of titles. T for titles, Article 18, abolition of titles. Then law removes all doubt, gives 6 freedom. Article 19 gives us 6 freedoms. Now and 4 clear protections, clear, CLEAR. C for conviction, protection in respect of conviction for offenses. Now Article 21, protection of rights and personal liberty. L for liberty, protection of rights and personal liberty. E for education. This Article 21A added by Constitution Amendment Act 86 in 2002. Now AR, arrest and detention in certain cases, Article 22. AR for arrest, protection against arrest and detention in certain cases. Now women, in this line women means Article 23, provision of traffic in human beings and forced labor. Now children, Article 24, provision of employment of children in factories. Okay, now some articles are only applied to the citizens of India. These are Article 15, Article 16, Article 18 to 19, 29 and 30. Kindly revise and learn all these articles, as every year approx 2 questions come in UPSC. For example, in 1995 they ask right to equality. Right to equality is from Article 14 to 18. Then in UPSC 2002 they ask for Article 14, 15, 16 and 17. Then after 2018 they ask for right to privacy is protected as an intrinsic right of life, or of right to life and personal liberty. This all comes under Article 21 and freedom guaranteed in Part 3rd. Now 2011, in India, if a religious sect or community is given the status of national minority, he is entitled to following special advantages. It can establish and administer exclusive educational institutions. Thank you.